All the best. KPSEA 2022. Mathematics. Questions. Workings. Answers. Questions, 21 to 30. 21. A given number of lorries collected 28 tons 685 kilograms of garbage from the market. The garbage was loaded equally onto 5 similar lorries. How many kilograms of garbage did each lorry carry? A. 193. B. 697. C. 6,970. D. 5,737. Workings, check the video on measurement, mass for more examples. Convert all the tons values into kilograms. The formula is 1 ton equals 1,000 kilograms. 28 tons times 1,000 plus 685 kilograms equals 28,685 kilograms. Then divide 28,685 kilograms by 5 lorries. 28,685 divided by 5 equals 5,737 kilograms. Therefore, the answer is D. 22. The price list for a shop is shown below. Niabok bought 3 kilograms of sugar, 1 liter of cooking oil and 4 packets of maize flour from the shop. She gave the shopkeeper 3 500-shilling notes. What was the balance? A. Sh 390. B. Sh 945. C. Sh 1110. D. Sh 2610. Workings, check your grade 5 textbooks for more information on budgets. Total cost equals cost of sugar plus cost of cooking oil plus cost of maize flour. Cost of sugar for 3 kilograms equals 3 times 110. Equals 330 shillings. Cost of cooking oil equals 360 shillings. Cost of maize flour for 4 packets. Equals 4 times 105. Equals 420 shillings. Total cost equals 330 plus 360 plus 420. Equals 1,110 shillings. Niabok had 3 times 500 equals 1,500 shillings. Balance equals 1,500 minus 1,110. Equals 390 shillings. Therefore, the answer is A. 23. Sandra requires 40 meters 20 centimeters of barbed wire to fence her garden. She had 2 pieces of barbed wire measuring 11 meters 85 centimeters and 8 meters 90 centimeters. How much more length of barbed wire does Sandra require? A. 60 m 95 centimeters. B. 27 m 75 centimeters. C. 19 m 55 centimeters. D. 19 m 45 centimeters. Workings, check your grade 4 textbooks for more information on length using meters and cm. The total length of wire that she has will be 11 meters 85 centimeters plus 8 meters 90 centimeters. Equals 20 meters 75 centimeters. Length of wire needed. Equals 40 meters 20 centimeters minus 20 meters 75 centimeters. Equals 19 meters 45 centimeters. Therefore, the answer is D. 24. A salesperson had 24 liters of milk. She packed the milk in 500 ml and 250 ml bottles. She packed 3/4 of the milk in 500 ml bottles and the rest in 250 ml bottles. What was the total number of bottles she used? A. 60. B. 36. C. 32. D. 24. Workings, check the video on measurement, capacity for more examples. First, we convert 24 liters into milliliters. The formula is 1 liter equals 1000 milliliters. 24 times 1000 equals 24,000 milliliters. Total number of bottles equals 500 ml bottles plus 250 ml bottles. For the 500 ml bottles, 3/4 of the milk was packed in 500 ml bottles. So, it will be 3/4 times 24,000 equals 18,000 ml. 18,000 ml divided by 500 ml equals 36 bottles. For the 250 ml bottles, 1/4 of the milk was packed in 250 ml bottles. 1/4 times 24,000 equals 6,000. 6,000 ml divided by 250 ml equals 24 bottles. Total number of bottles equals 36 bottles plus 24 bottles equals 60 bottles. Therefore, the answer is A. 25. The figure below shows two triangles drawn accurately. Measure the angle SQR using a protractor. What is the size of angle SQR? A. 35 degrees. B. 50 degrees. C. 70 degrees. D. 95 degrees. Workings. Check the video on geometry for more examples. Take a protractor and correctly place it on the letter Q in order to measure angle SQR. The midpoint of the protractor should be on letter Q as shown below. Using the inner scale, the blue one, we can see clearly angle SQR is 50 degrees. Therefore, the answer is B. 26. Kajan bought goods worth Sh 400. He gave the shopkeeper a Sh 1000 note. He received the balance in equal number of Sh 200 and Sh 100 notes. What was the total number of notes that he received? A3, B4, C5, D6. Workings. Check your grade 5 textbooks for more information on equations. In grade 5, algebra, you learned how to form simple equations. We'll use a simple equation for this question. Since he received the balance in equal number of 200 shillings and 100 shillings notes, let X represent the number of notes for either 200 shillings or 100 shillings. First, we find the balance. Balance equals 1000 shillings minus 400 shillings equals 600 shillings. To find the total number of notes, it will be 200x plus 100x equals 600 shillings. 300x equals 600. X equals 600 over 300. X equals 2. This means for every kind of note he received 2 of them. So, 2 notes for 200 shillings and 2 notes for 100 shillings. Total number of notes equals 2 plus 2 equals 4 notes. Therefore, the answer is B. 27. A bus and a matatu were to transport 128 guests to a wedding ceremony. The bus can carry 24 guests and the matatu 8 guests. Both vehicles made the same number of trips. How many trips did the matatu make? A2, B4, C8, D16. Workings. Check your grade 5 textbooks for more information on equations. In grade 5, algebra, you learned how to form simple equations. We'll use a simple equation for this question too. Since both vehicles made the same number of trips, let X represent the number of trips made either by the matatu or bus. The total number of guests are 128. The bus carries 24 guests per trip. The matatu carries 8 guests per trip. 24x plus 8x equals 128. 32x equals 128. X equals 128 over 32. X equals 4 trips. Since X represents the number of trips made either by the Matatu or bus. The Matatu made 4 trips. Therefore, the answer is B. 28. The bar graph below represents the number of trees planted by learners of a school in 4 years. What is the difference between the highest and lowest number of trees that were planted in the 4 years? A 800. B 700. C 600. D 200. Workings, check the video on data handling for more examples. The tallest bar is year 2019 representing the highest number of trees at 800. The shortest bar is year 2018 representing the lowest number of trees at 200. Subtract 200 from 800. 800 minus 200 equals 600. Therefore, the answer is C. 29. Charo and Akinyi have some bananas. Charo has 3 times as many bananas as Akinyi. They have 36 bananas altogether. Let the number of bananas that Akinyi has be represented by y. Which of the following equations correctly represents the information given? A 3y plus y equals 36. By plus y equals 36. Cy plus y plus 3 equals 36. Dy over 3 plus 3 equals 36. Workings, check the video on algebra for more examples. Akinyi has y bananas. Charo has 3 times y bananas equals 3y. Total number of bananas equals 36. When we combine them, it becomes y plus 3y equals 36 or 3y plus y equals 36. Therefore, the answer is A. 30. Mwakio had 18 cubes with the same shape and size. He made a stack using all the cubes. Which of the following represents the correct stack he made? Workings, check your grade 5 textbook for more information on data handling, piling. To find the correct number, we count the number of faces of the cube on the length multiplied by the number of faces of the cube on the width multiplied by the number of faces of the cube on the height. Choice A is wrong because L equals 3, W equals 3, H equals 3, and 3 times 3 times 3 equals 27. Choice B is wrong because L equals 2, W equals 3, H equals 2, and 2 times 3 times 2 equals 12. Choice D is wrong because L equals 2, W equals 3, H equals 4, and 2 times 3 times 4 equals 24. Choice C, L equals 3, W equals 3, H equals 2, and 3 times 3 times 2 equals 18. Therefore, the answer is C. All the best.